So sadly the day has finally come. Richmond Model Railway can no longer continue. Need to install a new cylinder tank in the attic, and it's going to completely breach the far end of the yard where the incline ends down there. So now it's time to perform the last rites on the railway. Slowly boxing stuff up, and we're going to have one last train run round, and no, there's only really one that we can have do this job. This is where the tank is going to sit, so this half of the yard and the bridges are going to have to go. More and more stuff is getting boxed up. Looks full at the moment, but the yard will not be full for long. It'll soon be empty at the pace we're going. It is a very sad day. Okay, this is it. The last bit before the suspension bridges go. What we've decided to do is, rather than cut the board will unscrew from the beam. So it's going to come off in one piece. Unfortunately, the one piece starts at the wall there and goes to the beam where the 66 is sat. So half the yard is literally going to vanish, as well as the bottom of the incline. So there won't be much of Richmond Model Railway left. Just this half, the scrapyard, and the station. It'll no longer be a loop. Right, mounted some buffer stops there, ready for where the bridges are going to go. They'll be removed, and that will be the end of the line then. This is some of the stuff we boxed up. A few locos in there. Needed the full rake of HTAs and some platform.
Sorry, I've tried to get as far as I could.
Well, that's it. The joints are lifted in the middle. Just in the middle of the screen there. The joints are lifted between the two boards. This half of the yard has now been totally separated, including on the incline there. And all the track now ends there, where the bridges used to be. And that's it. Richmond Model Railway has literally been chopped in half. Suspension bridge and the other bridge have been dumped there. The HST sets in the station, won't be going anywhere for a little while. Class 70's there. Tanks are getting boxed up. And that's it. I bring you the end now of Richmond Model Railway.